Plus, a growing problem. People are facing massive increases in long-term care insurance.
Can you afford that?
No. But here's the deal. I might have to because I've already invested $60,000.
New at 6, our investigation shows thousands of couples like Dom and Anita Palozzi in New York facing an impossible choice. Pay a premium they can't afford or lapse insurance they're banking on. One New York State senator tells chief investigative reporter Berkeley Breen it's a broken system.
I make custom lampshades, and I've made them for the George Eastman House.
At 79, Anita Palozzi is still working. She met her husband, Dom, 55 years ago.
And 2 months later, we got married.
Anita and Dom bought long-term care insurance to protect their assets and, more importantly, their children. 25 years later, they got this letter. Over 4 years, Anita's annual premium goes from $1,300 to $3,600. Dom's spikes from $1,700 to almost $5,000.
Which is 179.5% increase.
Can you afford that?
No. But here's the deal. I might have to because I've already invested $60,000 in premiums.
The Palozzi's insurance company filed its application to raise rates before they were required to be published in New York. So we don't have it. But here are the ones published in 2024. Here are the applications in 2025. Some of the increases are double digits, some are triple digits. And in these applications, every single insurance company said they need them because there are more claims, people are living longer, it's more expensive, and they need this kind of increase to pay for claims in the future. I see numbers like 24%, 44%, 174%, 252%. I can't understand how anyone thinks anyone can afford that.
I totally agree with you. And
Senator Shelley Mayer is the chair of the Senate Insurance Committee. When people like the Palozzis get letters like this, it means the state approved the increases.
So
correct.
the state is saying that that increase is okay.
I'm not going to speak for them because all I do is fight with them, but I would say they would say, and the insurance companies would say, that this is not a product that they can price appropriately anymore.
And if the company doesn't get the increase, it could leave New York. When Anita bought her long-term care policy 2 decades ago, she was an insurance agent.
I'm not doing this just for us. I'm doing it for all the clients I sold this to my family members I sold this policy to. They're all getting these letters too.
I talked to an insurance agent who deals with this, and she made a couple of good points. First, there's a 20% tax credit on all of these premiums. And premiums for long-term care in New York are protected. So if Anita, for instance, lets her policy lapse, she's still entitled to the $60,000 she's already paid. Berkeley Breen, News 10, NBC.
In this story at WHEC.com, we link Senator Mayer's bill that creates a potential solution modeled after a law in Washington state. You can also see the comments from the state's insurance department and the rationale behind every insurance company's rate increase.